right, everybody. Beautiful day here in Volo, Illinois. Got a very beautiful Cadillac to cruise today. 58 Coupe DeVille, and this one has a frame-off restoration that's just done to the T's. Absolutely gorgeous car inside and out. It was a SEMA feature car. It has a 6-liter LS under the hood. 4L60E automatic overdrive transmission. Power everything, clear across the board. It's got power door locks, power windows, power steering, electronic power brakes. Let's see, Dakota digital dash here. Got the banjo steering wheel with the tilt column also. Really nice leather wrap steering wheel. And of course the interior. I mean, you're gonna redo a Cadillac interior, you might as well do it the right way. Nice, lazy boy style seats in it. And, oh, did I say power seats? It does have power seats as well if I missed that. But we looped this one around the block. The LS got very adequate power, so yeah, let's show you what she's got. And just like that, up to speed, absolutely no problem. I mean, that was not even half throttle. There's a lot more there, but you know, it's a cruising car, so that's what we're gonna do, cruise it. It does have vintage air also. I'm not sure if I said that. We do got a little air noise coming from this door over here. We'll have our shop take a look at the seals and just make sure that's all good. But the air conditioning is on and works well. Tremendous vehicle. I mean, I've never seen a Cadillac built to these standards before, with this type of power, turnkey reliability, 6-liter LS. I mean, you literally have it all here. I'm so comfortable. I didn't even talk about any of the cracks in the road or anything. I mean, it still has that classic Cadillac ride, but you have so many modern amenities here. Cool motor with an abundance of power. It's a tremendous vehicle. Come test drive this one if you'd like. Maybe even click the buy it now. You know, this one's not going to be around long. This paint, we didn't even get to the paint. This is beautiful Maybelline pink. Somehow it's kind of got like a masculine quality to it. I don't know if it's the gray interior or whatever it may be, but it's a tremendous car top to bottom. Check out all the pictures, details, and the full description on volocars.com.